The West Nile virus has now been found in East Haven, and this all comes less than a month after a case of the virus was found in Milford. Tonight, Fox 61 Celine Arif shows us what steps you can take right now to protect yourself.
Hearing that more mosquitoes are testing positive might sound scary, but the good news right now is nobody has been diagnosed with West Nile virus. With that said, experts say you're most likely to get the virus in August or September, so now is not the time to let your guard down. The mosquitoes that tested positive were collected on July 16 in the Kenneth Street area of East Haven. Dr. Michael Pascasilla is the Director of Public Health at East Shore District Health Department and says that tracks with a typical summer season.
For the last several years, we've seen this not just in East Haven, but our surrounding communities. So to date, there's been 16 positive mosquitoes across 11 towns.
State health officials say there were 6 cases of people infected with West Nile virus last year in our state and 13 cases in 2024.
The first thing people need to know is there is no vaccinations for it. The only prevention is personal protective measures, right? So at dusk and dawn, that's when mosquitoes typically are most active, and you really want to wear a long sleeve.
Dr. Pascasilla says while most people infected with West Nile virus aren't symptomatic, about 20% develop what feels like a mild version of the flu. But some people go on to develop a severe illness, and that can turn deadly. He says people over the age of 60 and with compromised immune systems need to be extra cautious during mosquito season. He also says it's important to prevent puddles of standing water like in flower pots or used tires. Dr. Pascasilla says using a mosquito repellent can also help protect you, and while he doesn't want anyone to put their summer plans on hold, he says it's important to know the risks.
So enjoy the outdoors, but just be mindful that during dusk and dawn, that's when the mosquitoes are most active.
Now, just like sunscreen, insect repellent can wash off with water or when it's mixed with sweat, so make sure you reapply. In Brantford, Celine Arif, Fox 61.